this video, you will see how to use the Get Text keyword in Avo Assure to fetch the data from a selected text box from SAP application when automating it. To do so, add a test step by selecting F1_textbox as the element name from the element name drop-down, and Get Text as the keyword from the descriptive keyword drop-down. Enter GT within curly brackets in the output field to fetch the text after debugging. For the second step, select it generic as the element name and display variable value as the keyword to automate displaying the variable value created in the first test step. Now, enter the same value as that in the first test step's output in the input field of the second step. Click Save to save the designed test step. Next, click Debug, and click Debug again from the pop-up. This will successfully debug the designed test steps, and fetch the entered text in the F1 text box and display the output for GT or Get Text as Bangalore.